Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Telegram account on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Telegram account on your iPhone, first you'll be required to open the Telegram app itself. And after opening the Telegram app, guys, on the homepage you can see there is the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of the screen. First tap on that settings, and after that, guys, on this panel there is the edit button available for us on the top right corner of the screen. You can see the edit button. Tap on that edit button, and over here, guys, at the bottom of the list you can see there is the logout button available for us. Tap on that logout button and you will be able to enter this panel where you can manage these options where it says add another account, set a passcode, clear cache, change phone number, or you can just contact some support if you have some problems. And with that being managed, guys, you can just simply tap, or if you want to still log out of your account, simply tap on the logout button which is on the red at the bottom of the list, and you'll be signed out of your Telegram account on your iPhone. And yeah, guys, this is how you sign out of your Telegram account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.